What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Grem. And first time namin dito sa StreamYard after a long while. This is the PBA Finals preview between the San Miguel Beermen up against the TNT Tropang 5G. And naisip namin na, naisip ko lang. Ako lang naisip ko na pagandahan namin na onte yung production kasi PBA Finals na hopefully na magustuhan niyo itong format na to since this is something that we really discussed na gusto namin talaga gawin I think for the past 2 years, Mario and I have been doing this now with Grem finally. Kasama na siya sa All Filipino ng TNT and SMB. And guys, here we go. Alam ko naman na medyo disappointed kayo na hindi Hinebra yung nakalusot but still, SMB and TNT. Ano?
No, since we're in that topic, can we agree for the rest of the conference that whenever we want to mention that team, we're gonna say
okay, no,
and
that,
then if
may pusta tayo.
And also
no mention of no mention of that team.
If we want to mention any players of that team, we're just gonna mention their numbers. For example, if we want to mention our favorite center, we're just gonna say number 25. If we want to mention our favorite point guard, we're just gonna say the number 00, di ba?
Hirap nun, di ko memorize number 00. Oh yes, that's my favorite.
Di ko na lang sila pag-uusapan.
Di ba?
Huwag na pag-usapan, di ko memorize yung number.
Okay. We can. Basta the team name is Toot. Okay, we're not gonna utter those 3 syllables for the rest of the conference. Okay.
I will not say rain or shine anymore.
I will say NLEX pa rin. We deserve some screen time. We never get the record.
You deserve some screen time. You guys got all the screen time.
Promise. You're not gonna hear those names from me. Go ahead, Nico.
Anyway, so yun guys, we're gonna talk about the lineups. Parang tradition namin is that we go through the starting lineup for both teams and also the bench. So that graphic is gonna show up in a bit from Canva, our friends from Canva na hindi pa rin kami sa sponsor. Anyway, so ito yung PBA Finals, TNT versus SMB. Let's first start. So parang gagawin natin dito yung matchup, diba? Matchup comparison. So let's first start with the point guard. Favorite point guard ni Mario? Hwami Chongson up against Jordan Heading. Where do we give the advantage here? First to Grem, then Mario.
I'm gonna be quick. Jordan Heading. Go ahead, Mario.
Okay. Jordan Heading, not even close. Not even close. Am I seen right now? Sorry,
no, it's okay. It's si Lemyo he's gonna mix it up, man.
Okay, so siya na bahala. Aight. So, for me,
siya na bahala. Let him do the thing.
Not even close, dude. Kahit si Brian Heruela ilagay mo sa point guard, Brian Heruela yung pipiliin ko over Hwami Chongson. And here's the thing, man. Hwami Chongson will not be able to defend Jordan Heading in any way, shape, or form. Wow, we're so cool. Sorry.
It's like Mario's in Toys R Us, man.
Whoa.
No,
sorry guys, it's first time seeing a computer. Ngayon siya nakakita na StreamYard.
Hold on, Mario. Didn't you learn from last conference when we said
Sinambatak week na natin. Sinambatak yung
Nambatak versus Nambatak versus number 9. Nambatak versus number 9.
Hey man, in my defense, ikaw yung nagsabi 100-0, nakiride lang ako doon.
Nasaan ba ako? Nasa 70-30 ako nun eh. 70-30 ako nun eh.
Here for the for Jordan and Hwami, I would say it's around 70-30 in favor of Jordan Heading. Yeah, to be around 70-30 of Jordan Heading. Brother, Jordan Heading is looking a lot healthier, passing the ball well. And this is the thing. Jordan Heading, before he went to TNT kasi, di siya masyado ma-ISO, di ba? Jordan was never really the ISO player. Pero when he got to TNT, when RR got injured, when Jason got injured, when Ray got injured, when Calvin got injured, medyo napilitan siya maging ISO player. Kaya medyo nahirapan yung him adapting into that role. But now we've seen na genuinely kaya ni Jordan Heading mag-ISO ball. And now we've seen that, man, if RJ Abarientos can cook you on offense, if you're Hwami Chongson, what more will Jordan Heading... Ay, shucks, I gave a name, my bad. What more will Jordan Heading. So that's why I have it 70-30 in favor of Jordan Heading. I'm sure, but I think this is also major because yung roles nila talaga. Wami is not really gonna be asked to do as much as Jordan Heading talaga. So if Jordan Heading doesn't win this matchup, TNT's in a lot of trouble. That's why I go Jordan.
Before you go, Nico, I just want to add one more thing on that. To those who want to make real money, given our Mario and I's reputation about judging lopsided matchups, Wami Chongson Finals MVP, man. Early campaign.
Yeah.
Early campaign.
But parang na-call ni Mario yun, Finals MVP.
Early
Salita
campaign.
pa lang siguro,
But,
Finals
man,
MVP.
Oh, man, hey.
Because,
He is a dark horse candidate though for Finals
Brother,
MVP.
if Wami Chongson wins Finals MVP, I'm buying his jersey.
Anong gagawin mo?
I'm wearing it the whole next season. Whole next season.
Graham, guys,
Every episode,
this is a
every
lost
episode
cause.
moving forward.
he is
until the
next. He is next.
That is not gonna happen. I went super duper quick, so I'm just gonna add one more thing. The only thing na magiging close tong matchup na to is if Jordan Heading is somehow hurt again. If he's the Jordan Heading that we saw in the semifinals, then this is not close at all. That's all I'm saying. Because si Wami
Yeah, I'm
Chongson
also giving it to Heading.
diba?
Yeah.
Wami Chongson had trouble
What's your
guarding
rating for Heading and Wami?
Ako?
Yeah, rate like 70-30, 80-20.
Yeah, same. 70-30 because remember, Wami Chongson had trouble guarding number 4. Diba?
Yeah.
Si,
Mm.
Jason David.
No, Jason David is...
This is the
Don't
defensive
mention names.
superstar,
Don't
man.
mention names.
Kayo
Mention
sumisira
names.
ng sarili nyo. Kayo yung nagsiset ng rules. Kayo
And I
sumisira ng
think
sarili nyo.
Heading right now is not significantly, but definitely a better player than number 4.
Jordan,
so,
man. It's
he-
Air Jordan. That's
this
my
is an-
Jordan.
This is
Wait
not
lang,
close.
Yeah, let's add this. I want to add this. I'm sure naman, I'm fairly certain it will be probably Don or Marshall defending Jordan. It won't
Jordan.
really be Wami, I'm assuming.
Uh-uh.
Pero men, iba, Jordan Heading just came from being defended by Gian Mamuyak, Jonathan Clarito, and Andre Karakot for a whole series. And I would make the argument na mas magaling na defenders ang Mamuyak and Clarito rather than Wami and Don. Maybe Marshall is a bit better or at the level of Gian, pero he's shown that he can really go against the best defenders and score at them. So I wouldn't be surprised if Jordan could, if TNT wins the finals, 100%, very good chance Jordan Heading's MVP.
Yeah. Siya yung
Well,
pumalit kay Ray.
that's a higher probability for sure. Yeah. Higher probability. Way higher probability than Wami Chongson
Than
being the
Wami.
Finals MVP. We can even argue na Chris Ross might have more minutes than Wami Chongson in this series.
Hey.
But you can even argue that.
Wami Chongson has a better chance of being the Ahan-Wisi player of the series than being the
Oh,
finals
di
MVP.
Hindi naman.
Oh,
Hindi
yeah.
naman. Feel ko hindi naman.
Brother, there's one person who I know will be the Hamnisi player of the game, and it's going to be Jeron Deng. But go ahead, man.
Okay. Ito
we
this
go.
battle of the two guard. Brian Heruela up against CJ Perez. 100-0, no? For me, it's CJ Perez here. Brian Heruela will just do his best, or walking or running refrigerator to disrupt CJ Perez and get him off his game. Try to bump him here and there. That's gonna be Brian Heruela's job. At kung nagawa ni Brian Heruela yan, then I think Coach Chot will say, good job, Brian. Good job. Napa 5 for 15 mo si Perez. 2 points ka lang. Kahit 0 pa nga, good job. As long as you make CJ Perez inefficient, then I think you're gonna get the thumbs up from Coach Chot Reyes. Pero in terms of player to player, I think, boys, ano naman natin, si CJ Perez, PBA star. Not much to say about Perez, especially in this matchup. Advantage to SMB here. So,
Depends
1-1
what CJ Perez you get, man.
I was about to say, man, like CJ Perez used to struggle against Toot, diba? So, especially in the important moments of that series. So, and we're assuming that RR is not playing because 2 linggo na yung pahinga niya. That's how long it takes to recover from that kind of injury. So, hey, man, probably RR is starting. But if that's the matchup that we have, then that's the matchup that we have. it's gonna be CJ Perez. He's a former national team member because I assume he's gonna get kicked out.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. What do you know, Mr. Esber?
Pinauunahan na naman na. Look at you.
Now, why did he say that? Remember
announcer?
remember si Brian Windhorst? Why did he say that? Why did he say that?
Why did he say that?
So, man, this is not close. Like, move on. Do you want to dissect this?
Wait,
Mario, do you have
no,
anything
no.
to say?
Oh, yes, Mario. Yes,
I do have something to
words?
say, man.
Yes,
And-
go.
Just buying time, Mario.
Yeah, I know, right? But dude, I'm so sorry. I don't think it's 100-0. I don't think it's 100-0.
90 to 10. Because Heruelas
I would
Jumbo
say
just
90 to 10,
make it
80
hard.
to 20.
90 to 10.
Just
Make
because-
it hard for Perez.
Just because, man, everybody knows and read the comment section, read the Facebook comment section, read the YouTube comment section, read every comment section. I don't even know if SMB fans like CJ Perez anymore, man.
Check the Reddit. Diba? They had him on Reddit and the questions are so what the heck?
Bro,
No,
yung,
they like
yung, fa- yung fans ng Toot like him better than SMB fans, di ba?
Tama na yung toot na yan, but
Tama na yun.
Hindi, no, all I'm saying, man, is they were really thankful for his Aster class, di ba? Especially in Game 7. But, hey, Mario,
They won, man.
you extended this matchup already. When Kyrie Irving got hurt in 2015, Matthew Dellavedova became the starting point guard, right? Was that
Yeah.
close against Steph Curry?
no, it wasn't close.
Well,
But
Okay, ganito rin yun.
brother, the difference is, find me a Golden State fan who hated Steph Curry that year. not
Yeah.
a single one. Not a, brother,
Okay. You got me.
CJ's backowness is the one that might cost them because Brian Ruela can defend. I know CJ is a better player than Brian. Alam naman natin
Yeah.
even close.
Mm.
Pero there will be moments where CJ Perez will get frustrated with Brian Ruela and he's gonna start taking a reverse layup from the free throw line. He's gonna start taking his 4-pointers, step back fours, you know what I mean? And that's the problem here. CJ Perez has to be a major part of this. Kasi if you're not taking advantage of our Pagoy not being on the court, man, lugi yung SMB. Lugi yung SMB. Kasi iba na. Last series, you had to go one-on-one with, I'm gonna say their names, I don't know their jersey numbers. You had to go against Scotty. You had to go against 9. You had to go against RJ number 4. You had to go against RJ number 4.
Sabihin nyo na lang. It sounds better.
There were moments where he had to go up against Stephen Holt also. So, like, in that one, he had to go up against certain people who medyo ka-level niya. Ito si Brian Heruela, di niya ka-level yan. So if he does the same, gets to my point, like, if he does the same exact thing, that's what he did in the last one, where he was shooting tour dates, man, SMB's
hindi pwede tour dates.
SMB's not gonna have a good chance, man.
By the way, guys, just to explain yung grading scoring system namin. So, di ba parang 0 to 100. 100 means, kunyari, sabi namin 90 to 10, 90 to CJ, 10% to the other side. Ibig sabihin nun, CJ is 90%, ibig sabihin nun, kakainin niya yung matchup niya. That bad. Kaya 90 to 10. Kung sinabi namin 60 to 40, ibig sabihin nun, konti lang yung advantage ng player that we gave the 60 to the one with the 40. Kung 50-50, ibig sabihin nun even matchup, it's an equal tie. Just to explain, ano ibig sabihin namin ng 90-10, 80-20, 70-30. Okay.
Parang last conference, di ba? Yung 70-30 natin. Ayun, nag-finals
I just want to explain
30.
because we had, like, come on, like now we have more listeners. Like,
I got you.
Explain it again.
I'm just tripping, man.
You have to explain it again. For the small forward position, we got Calvin Oftana up against Marshall Lassiter.
Okay,
60-40.
I'm confused, man. I'm confused.
Oh,
Isn't Marshall the starting shooting guard of San Miguel? Or no?
They usually go out to this lineup, the Chongson Perez Lassiter.
Okay.
This was the starting lineup last game. Oh yeah, it was game 7 starting lineup.
Okay. All right.
So mine 7 sa akin I would say 70-30. Of course, Calvin with the 70-30 kay Marshall. Calvin could have been 80-20 if he isn't injured. Nandun pa rin ako sa injury na calf or whatever lower leg injury that is. We all know what Calvin can do. He is the number 1 option of TNT right now, especially in the All-Filipino Conference. They will live and die by Calvin Oftana, and we can all agree. Na everyone also actually watching the PBA right now knows that if Calvin goes down, it's the end of the Grand Slam hopes for the Tropang 5G.
Di ka sure.
Yeah, you'll never know.
Bigla,
You'll never know.
BGR will give
May
you
kakilalang
20.
feeling ko may kakilalang manggagamot to sa Mount Banahaw tong TNT na gumagaling yung mga player nila. But man, this is not close again, but here's what I'm gonna say. Two things.
Ano yung
Number,
ano mo?
I think it's like
Not
70-30 then. For me.
70-30 ka din. Okay, 70-30.
But, two things. Number one, Calvin Oftana may seriously be the MVP of the season. He was the BPC
Kaya ba in terms
in one of the conferences.
statistical points?
Sila na ni Junmar naglalaban sa BPC ngayon.
Oo.
So if he comes out firing and Junmar struggled in the semifinals, diba, versus Tut, then especially in the first 4 games, then there's a legitimate chance that Calvin, yung statistical points niya may catch up. However, the thing about Jericho and Tumotao Tua. So hey, look out for Marcio. This guy's very capable of killing you.
Brother, I am having the time of my life with this application right now.
With our graphics, diba?
Yeah. Dude,
Upping
a
the
video.
production.
There was a video. What the heck?
Tahimik lang siya.
Alam mo, men, wala man lang ganito ng Game 7 para napakita natin yung behind the back pass ni number 4, di ba? Or yung mga blown dunk attempt ni 25, di ba?
Ano sasabihin natin, pakiulit yung roll the tape.
And okay, what's I saying? For the Calvin Marcio one, I would go maybe Calvin 70-30. Probably same as Nico. 80-20 if he were healthy, but because he's not, I guess, fully healthy, 70-30 is fine. If he's tasked to just defend Marcio Lassiter, which is not an easy task, by the way, I think it's a bit lighter for him as compared to when he had to defend Adrian Nocum or when he had to defend Kaylan Johnson or Jonard Clarito. So I think it's better for Calvin that he only has to that he has to defend Marcio, although Marcio's movement is different. Pero you get what I mean, right? And offensively, it's the same one, man. Marcio's role is not the role of Calvin Oftana. Calvin Oftana's role is to score the ball with Jordan Heading, right? Like make your shots, find your teammates open. That's your role if you're Calvin Oftana and Jordan Heading. But for Marcio Lassiter, it's, hey man, if you're open, hit your shot. You're not really expected to create offense for Junmar or for Wami or for CJ. You're expected to hit wide open shots. So just because of pure role alone, Calvin has to again play better than Marcio, because if he doesn't, mahirapan talaga ang TNT niyan.
Agree. So far, TNT has the advantage 2-1 in our first 3 positions. So let's now move on to the power forward spot. Glenn Kubuntin. Going up against... Ito yung last starting lineup ng TNT. I'm just basing it off from the last starting 5 they used in their previous matchups. Obviously, could change. Nilagay mo, si Kelly Williams and Pogoy, yung asterisk meaning injured, but you know naman na they will slot in sa starting 5 once healthy. Anyway, ito muna. Kubuntin versus Rodney Brondial. 60-40 for... No, it's 50... Wait. Ang hirap. I have to give it to Rodney Brondial for now, 60-40. I have to give it to Rodney Brondial right now because of how consistent he has been in that series against Ginebra. And he just perfectly fits with Junmar Fajardo. Diba? Even though na medyo bangga yung playing style nila, for some reason, it just works. Coach Leo Austria just knows how to use his Adamson boys along with his main core of SMB guys. And pero pag umabot to ng Game 7, 90-10. Glenn,
I was about to go there.
Alamat yun. Iba yun. That's a
pag Game 6,
those are stories I will tell my children.
90-10 din. Pag Game 6, 90-10 din. Pag Game 6. Have you met Game 6 Rodney Brondial? Ibang animal yun.
So ano yun? So for SMB, you have to close it out. You have to take advantage of the Game 6 Rodney Brondial.
Pag Game 6, Rodney Brondial 90-10. Pag Game 7, 90-10 Glenn Kubuntin.
Yeah. Actually, if you're SMB, you have to specifically finish it in 6. Parang kahit up ka na ng 3-0, wag mo na tapusin. Para Game 6, makuha mo yung Game 6 Rodney Brondial. Diba?
And then we give Rodney Brondial the Finals MVP.
Bro, these two players can't be what how can I say this? Can't be more vital to their team than their fans or than their non-fans appreciate. Like Glenn Cobontin. Remember Game 6 against Ross when they needed baskets? Siya yung pumupuntos. Diba? He is hitting reverse layups, he's hitting 3-pointers. This guy is the epitome of a player na pag tinignan mo yung stat sheet, parang wala lang. Ang okay, he got 7 points. Pero grabe naging impact niya on the floor. So, this is 50-50 for me too. Kidding aside, these guys can contribute anytime. Like Rodney Brondial has a capability to go double-double or have a double-double in every game of this series. Same with Glenn Cobontin, di ba? Tapos pahirapan niya pa si CJ on the other end. So, this is a good matchup. And if I have to pick one, by the end of the day, it has to be Glenn Cobontin. Because I every time I close my eyes, I still remember those magnet balls. But hey, Rodney Brondial also 2 days ago had the magnet ball, di ba?
Yeah.
The fade away from the
big. Yeah.
But man,
over Jason David.
Don't mention names, man.
Sorry.
Yeah, I Glenn Cobontin is he's just proven his worth. Especially kapag wala si RR Pugoy is pa rin kind of unhealthy because there's a chance na we may not see Rodney Brondial too much because pag ginamit si Mo and Junmar na sabay, di ba? Yeah. Then mawawala si Rodney in the rotation. That's all I'm saying.
Honestly, bro, I'm 50-50 on this kasi both have their own.
Yeah. Hirap ako. Yeah.
Both literally have their own thing. Yung kay Glenn Cobontin kasi, I think between the two, he's the better shot creator. And between the two, he's the better defender in terms of being able to stop maybe CJ and Jericho and all that and Don. Pero Rodney Brondial is different in the aspect na he's the much better rebounder, much better putback player, and siya yung makikipagbanggaan kay Poy, kay BGR, and if ever, kay Kelly. So I think both have their fair share of importance to the team. Kaya medyo 50-50 talaga ako dito, man. Like I said, Game 6 is Rodney Brondial, Game 7 is Glenn Cobontin. So either way, they both have their efforts.
Yeah, this is tough, Parang
mahirap yung power
parang
forward
tayo. Binaisek mo, this is the most boring matchup. This is the most overlooked matchup. But man, hey, ang hirap Hirap.
I would say it's the most underappreciated one.
Underappreciated. Di sa boring. Yung boring is Perez at Ceruela.
Yeah.
That was the boring one.
Oo, tama. Yeah.
Actually, yung boring is yung susunod na... Sino ba yung center?
Junior.
So, it depends Are you gonna put ito right now kasi I just used the last starting five. Poy was the starting five last time, but in this matchup, baka feel natin Coach Chot will use Brandon Ganuela's roster against Junmar Fajardo. And if that's the case, 60 for Junmar, 40 for BGR. But if we're gonna do with Eram, 70 Junmar, 30 for Eram for me.
Excuse me. 60 for Junmar?
Junmar's injured, No. Yeah, 60
injured
for
Junmar.
Junmar, 40 for injured Junmar to Mario.
He's not injured. Didn't they just say it's nothing to worry about?
Huh?
They posted it. SMB said that he's fine.
Come on, man. Like, of course they're gonna say that. Alam mo naman sasabihin nila yan.
Yeah, but I'm gonna... okay, fine. But 60-40, I think is a little... That's close, huh? Like, that's a lot closer than
BGR has proved that he can make it close. BGR has proved, and he has the body to keep up.
I mean,
Grim,
okay.
I'm sure he can. I'm sure. May laban si BGR.
Man, who was BGR going up against in Ross? For us to see he's proven himself to be able to play against Junmar. Who was he being put up against in Ross, man?
Abay dito.
I'm torn, man, because just
even Grim's torn.
No, the reason I'm torn is just a few days ago, looks like Junmar can't walk to the locker room. Tapos healthy bigla siya.
Diba Game 7, yung pinakita mo yung video na parang
diba?
He's walking gingerly.
Diba?
Ito naman yung ginawa niya kay number 25 of the barangay.
Is that hard to do? Is that hard to do?
Hey, man.
He's the
Good
third.
question. I'm not gonna lie. Good
He's
question.
the, he's
Got me there. Got me there.
huli ka dun ah.
Okay.
Huli ka dun ah.
I'm gonna put my comments assuming that Junmar is 80% healthy. Okay.
Oh.
It should be 65-35. Whoever it is, because
Okay,
Aram is a good
65.
defender, man. Aram's a good
Yeah.
defender, and he's held his own against Junmar, containing him to probably 20-12. That's the best that he can do.
That's good na. Pwede na.
But hey, I'm telling you, this is if Junmar is less than 80%, then this tipped the scale towards TNT dramatically.
Yeah.
Because Junmar in the previous series can enjoy pushing si number 25, and number 25 will have no answer. He cannot do it against these guys.
Yeah.
So, mas malalim yung front court nito.
Yeah, and
Even
brother,
nahirapan nga siya kay number 1, di ba? At one game. Game 3.
Oh yeah, si si Troy pala. Yan nga, sakto sa photo.
Di ba? So, all I'm saying, man, is I'm assuming he's 80% healthy, because if it's lower than that, not only are Gila's chances kind of screwed, but also their chances against TNT.
I think the completely different part of this is before in the Ginebra series. I don't care about your rules, Graham. Sorry. It takes too much time to follow your rules. First of all, after number 25, at least I'm following that, man. After number 25 gets subbed out, he goes up against number 1 and Raymond Aguilar, whatever jersey number Raymond Aguilar is. And now, when comes out of the game, when Poi comes out of the game, or if PGR comes out of the game, yung katapat niya bigla is either of the two or Kelly Williams, which is a lot heavier and probably a lot more skilled than what Ginebra was gonna put up against him. I have it 70-30. I have it 70-30.
70-30 ka? Okay.
Junmar. Man, he's just bigger. He's just a lot bigger. The reason why I have 30 even, I think if it's BGR, I'll go 65-35. But if it's Poi, 70-30 talaga yun. The difference is talaga, Poi Aram has an outside shot, diba? So he has to he'll have to force Junmar to shoot the ball. To shoot the ball, to defend the perimeter, which is not Junmar's specialty. Alam naman natin yun. BGR, I think, has a pretty decent jumper from 3. He has a pretty decent jumper from 3 naman. Si BGR.
Ano yung corner?
Yeah, basta corner.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it's a different composition now. Kasi now he has to defend different. And now if you're TNT, you have to defend different as well. Yung last series mo, the biggest guy on the court was Kaylan Chongson for most of
Datu.
Datu. Pwede na. Malaking harang, Mario. Malaking harang.
I mean, yeah, he played, but come on, guys.
Chris Porter. Hear me
Chris
out.
Porter, yeah, Chris Porter. Chris Porter. So not the biggest size now. Not the biggest size nung time na yun. Now, big. Junmar, big. Motau Tua, big. Brody Brondial, big. The lamang of the TNT team is that they're faster than Junmar Fajardo. In a full court sprint, BGR is probably done already at the end of the court, while Junmar is at half court line pa lang. So that yan yung advantage. But I still have Junmar 70-30 final. I mean, there's a reason that the All Filipino Cup runs through SMB, right?
Yeah.
There's a reason, and that reason is the big man in the middle, Junmar Fajardo. So until somebody aside from Brandon Bates is able to stop Junmar Fajardo,
He just decided to join TNT. Papahiram ni Coach Nena. Go in there. That was crazy, no? Remember those days? My goodness. Brandon Bates holding his own against Junmar Fajardo.
Confused as hell how Brandon Bates was defending Junmar Fajardo. But
right? It was
Oh,
working. It was working.
What do you mean it was working? It worked. Champion sila.
It worked. It worked.
Diba? So it's cool. It's cool na in it sounds sacrilege. What's the word that I have to use? Na parang almost sounds idiotic na there's someone else close to Junmar, but the only reason is he's hurt. But man, ito yung ano eh, 'di ba? Nakakatakot kasi talaga yung frontline ng TNT. Like we have to also realize na Junmar can get into foul trouble.
Yeah.
By BJR.
Yeah.
The good thing is they have Moto Tua to back him up. Diba? So that's
not just Mo, they have Rodney.
That's true. And Kalma.
Na pwede rin
So,
When all else fails, you still have JM Kalma, who was supposed to be the next best Northport import. Northport.
He was actually
Big
good
man.
in Northport.
He was good
big
in
in Northport.
Yes,
Yeah.
he was very good in Northport. I agree.
That's
Actually, let's not transition to that one. Let's not talk about the benches of both squads, no. So, say, Lem, feel free to show our Canva graphic for the viewers. Okay. So right now, just BGR, no. So for TNT, I believe it's gonna be a nine-man deep, considering na papasok na si Kelly at si Pogoy, one way or another.
Si Kelly Williams may not play. I just read an article.
Oh, really?
He may not
okay.
play.
So ano pa rin? How many deep is this? 9-man deep pa rin yung TNT despite Kelly not playing.
But don't believe that. Don't believe TNT, man.
Yeah. Yeah, we heard the same thing.
Calvin wasn't supposed to play game 2 either.
Yeah, he was not supposed to play game 2 either.
Not gonna
for SMB naman, 6, 7, 8. Would you say SMB is 10-man deep? 10, no? You would say
No.
10. Two, Ross, Troliano, Cruz, and Calma. They're 9-man deep. 9-man deep. 9. And you can rotate 9 consistent guys. Tapos iba magic bonus mo na lang yung whoever's from 10 to 12.
Basta ako yung the matchup I'm excited for is
matchup you're excited for in the bench.
The matchup I'm excited for is Simon Enciso versus Chris Rosales. Man, I'm gonna have the time of my life watching that one, man. Holy crap.
That's the matchup to watch.
Alam niyo mga interesting dito. Some of these players played for the other team in the past. Chris Rosales used to be in TNT. Enciso used to be in SMB. I think Jericho Cruz used to be in TNT rin, di ba? So, susubukan pa sila ni Arwin, di ba?
NLEX din. NLEX yan. Calvin of Tana,
That's enough NLEX talk.
We had.
Nalabas ko na.
Itot niya NLEX no? Pag di kailangan pag-usapan.
Then,
tama na yung NLEX na yan.
No tooting of NLEX. Anyway, yes.
Okay, so the starters are TNT, For me, TNT lamang dun sa starters. Pagdating dun sa bench, dahil nga kulang-kulang na yung TNT, SMB na to. Like
70-30? What's your SMB bench TNT?
Bro, we did the same thing. Bro, alam mo kaya ako minumura sa TNT Facebook groups kasi we did the exact same thing last conference. Diba?
Pero bakit ikaw lang? Kami hindi.
Kaya nga, galit natin sa kalbo. But man, di ba sinabi natin, who's the best player coming off the bench for Tooth? Di ba last conference? Number 4. No one is gonna match number 4 off the bench. Man, tsaka kinain buo ni ng Batak. All I'm saying
kinain nga ng buo ni ng Batak. Kaya.
Dude, 8 gram.
I don't know, man. I want to say 70-30. I want to say 70-30 because it's supposed to be 30. Di ba? But Coach Chot knows his magic. Doon naman ako lopsided sa coaching.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we can get there.
Well, wait.
So bench.
Coach Leo knows his boys. Coach Leo really knows his guys, eh.
Dude,
he knows how to make this team work. Yeah, sa bench muna. Let's finish our thoughts muna on the bench.
Yeah. Yung sa bench kasi, it's kind of funny to talk about the bench because SMB's bench is a starting lineup in its own.
Tortua, Ross, Cruz.
Like, except
even Calma.
Even Calma. Dude, Jeron Teng was a starter on the bridge.
Alam mo nakakatawa dito?
15 points a game ata si Jeron, eh.
Yung number 6, number 8, and number 9 ng TNT used to be their starting 5. Tortua, Troliano, and Cruz.
Oo nga.
Ano? Hindi siya mali doon.
Rosales.
Oo nga.
Rosales. Diba?
Hindi siya mali doon, man.
So funny.
Anyway, what you're saying, malayo yung bench battle, if you ask me. Medyo malayo talaga ang bench battle. Oh, shucks. Malayo ang bench battle because, dude, if you were healthy, sige, paglalaban ko pa onte. Because a fully healthy TNT would have Jason coming off the bench. They'd have Kim Audin coming off the bench. They'd have Kelly coming off the bench. They'd have maybe even have Jordan coming off the bench. Because sometimes, diba, put a scorer into your second unit. Ganon. But because you're so unhealthy. Well, that's a weird thing to say. Because they're so injured, not naman unhealthy.
So unhealthy. Pangit daw diet nila. Puro nuggets.
Speaking of, my nuggets are here.
Stop talking about Luka Doncic, man.
Hey, we're Lakers fans here, brother.
Bro, balikan lang natin graphics dun sa parang dun sa bottom, dun sa top, di ba? Okay, so BGR Tautua, you know, it's probably BGR without explanation, di ba? Aurin Ross, Trojano, Enciso Trojano, Galinato, Jericho Cruz, and then yung Williams Pogoy, ano na yan, di ba? Hindi naman yan dapat nandyan, di ba? So it's really lopsided towards San Miguel Beer. So even if these starters get into foul trouble, may hugutin pa si Coach Leo. Unlike on the other side na, you know, if na foul trouble yung big man, Galinato mo, hugot mo ba yan, di ba? Hindi kinain ni Junmar ng buo yan. Not like the way he ate number 25, but still, you know, Galinato is nowhere close to Junmar. All I'm saying.
Yeah, dude, not wrong. But then, around 70-30, 75-25 maybe. That's how I'd put it. But like what Graham said, when we're talking about coaching, this is when it becomes a completely different story. Kasi kahit 25...
I feel like I'm 50-50. I feel like I'm 50-50 with the coaching because it's Coach Leo and Coach Leo with SMB. This SMB, may laban talaga eh. I feel ko 50-50. Coach Leo Austria.
Okay. Whoever's black SUV is parked outside of your house, Nico, it's not San Miguel Corps. So please tell the truth.
Don't worry, brother. Don't worry. Yeah.
Okay pa. Actually, may nakapark. So, wait lang.
You're safe. Don't worry.
Please tell
may
the
ilaw
truth,
pa sa labas
brother.
ng window.
Please tell the truth, brother.
Well, for 50-50 muna. At least right now, before game 1.
Okay, now that we've taken...
We can change naman eh.
Now that we've taken the gun away from your head, what is your real answer?
50-50 muna. 50-50 talaga ako. Right now. As
Brother,
of right now. I have the guns right here. There's a smoking gun right here.
Yeah, we can. Dude, if you ask me, siya yung smoking gun.
Siya yung smoking gun. Ingay ko daw.
Dude, for
Tulog
me,
na
naka-off pala yung camera ko. Sorry. For me,
kakamakdo. Ayaw pakita ng suso.
I picked up some nuggets.
Pick up the nugget.
Dude, for me, 65-35 or something to that extent. If I can go 62-38, pwede ba yun or whatever? Ano ganun?
But naman, yeah. I mean, it's still tipping the scales. Yeah.
Coach Leo has been afforded the opportunity of having real players coming off their bench, and TNT has had has had to play people who many. Hey, question. Can you go back to the graphic? Sorry.
Which graphic? Yung Canva.
Where is Mike Nieto?
Oh yeah, I forgot Mike Nieto here. Yeah, he should be there. Mike Nieto. Mike Nieto should be there.
Yeah,
he has a graphic there. He has his own photo.
This guy's my goat. Whoever is now handling the.
Yeah, his name's si Lem. That's our friend.
You're my goat.
Where's Lem when we need him to do 2-minute clips of number 25 with the clown music?
Papagawa natin siya ng compilation. Anyway.
But, yeah, dude. The coaching battle kasi Coach Chot has been able to get great numbers from people who shouldn't get minutes, if we're being honest. Right? The Almon Vosotroses of the world have been playing in the 3x3 circuit for the longest time. Wow, this guy's crazy.
He's ready. This guy's ready.
The Henry Galinatos probably only play on the PBA on tour, right? Or and all that. But he's able to get good, very solid minutes from them, and it's all, I think, thanks to Coach Coach Chot, Coach Josh, Coach Sandy. That whole core of coaching has
Coach
made
Yuri,
every
diba?
single player ready to play the game. I'm not saying that Coach Leo is a bad coach. He is a very good coach, especially for this type of lineup. But the fact that Coach Chot adjusts so well, and he's able to get the best out of all of his players at literally all times. My guy Kelly Williams should have retired 5 years ago, and he's still
But
getting the best
still,
out of Kelly
yeah.
Williams. And I'm telling you right now, no other coach can get that from Kelly Williams. I'm sure of it. If
That's right.
Kelly were on SMB, he wouldn't be like this. If Kelly were on Ginebra, he wouldn't be like this. If Kelly were on NLEX, oh, you're welcome, Nico. He wouldn't be like this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Only Coach Chot is able to get that out of Kelly Williams, and that's a testament to how good Coach Chot really is. So I think that's why I
Yeah.
have it 65-35.
Okay.
That's right. I'm on the same boat as Mario, and if we look at it on paper, like resume, hindi dikit to. Like 90-10, mga ganun, 80-20 coaching caliber. But Coach Leo just knows his guys so much, and in his system so much that it makes it closer. Again, we're not talking about it coach versus coach. We're talking about it coach with his system versus the other coach with his system. And Coach Leo, man,
Oh, cute.
a lot of people disrespect this guy. The amount of respect that he deserves for just having these guys composed. There was a time na mas malakas pa nga yung San Miguel, di ba? And he still kept them intact. He still kept them in check. So he's so underrated. But I just believe that Coach Chot is the best coach in the PBA right now. That I think that I'm gonna give him 65. He probably deserves more because pag pinagpalit natin yung lineup, then it's gonna be 100-0 because Coach Chot is just that good. So again, this is a tough question to answer, and I have to be very careful because I respect Coach Leo a lot. I know not a lot of people do that, but I do because this guy can coach in the PBA, and yun yung take ko dun sa coaching excuse me, yun yung take ko dun sa coaching matchup natin.
Okay. And how do we see this series playing out, boys? Our favorite question. How do we see this series?
Who wants to go first?
Okay. Go, Graham.
Nag-mute. Nag-mute.
Okay.
Oh,
No, I had.
nag-mute.
Actually, sinisipon na ako. But hey,
Gusto
I
ko
don't
nag-mute. Guys,
hate-
sira yung ano.
I don't hate TNT. Okay? I just want to make it clear na people keep on pushing that I hate TNT. I do not hate TNT. Okay? I'm just afraid of TNT. I'm jealous of TNT. Diba? Naiingit ako sa kanila because they have may nakasagutan pa ako dun sa comments na bakit nyo sinisisi mga player nyo, toxic pala kayo. Sabi ko lang sa kanila, wala kasi kayo no number 25 eh. Tsaka no number 00 eh. Kaya nasasabi nyo yan eh. You don't know the pain. Diba? So, I don't hate them. But I'm gonna pick against them in these finals. Mainly because mas injured sila versus sa San Miguel Beer. And I'm saying this with a straight face. Please, TNT fans, huwag nyo akong murahin dun sa sa Facebook group nyo. I know yung first two conferences, if I pick Ginebra team, if I pick two, team ko yun eh, di ba? Ito, I'm going in this with an objective mind, in an objective heart. Hindi naman ako mananayan, hindi ako bumupusta. So, all I'm saying is, whenever you have Junmar, you always have the best chance of winning in an all-Filipino conference. That's why I'm going with SMB winning in 6 games. That's
SMB in
my
6.
SMB in 6. Na syempre, di ba, kukupali na tayo ng mga comments dyan. Sige lang. And nasanay na ako. But here's what I'm saying.
Tayo, sanay na tayo.
TNT,
We're kinda immune at this point. Pero,
oo, natatawa na nga lang ako eh. Pero
actually, pinagtatawanan natin lahat ng mga...
Diba, no? But man, if TNT wins this title, not only are they gonna win the Grand Slam, there's a huge chance they're gonna win back-to-back Grand Slams because they're
Yeah.
gonna get
What do you mean?
healthier and
Dude,
back-to-back
there's
Grand Slams
Oo nga
like
pala.
6 feet. Because they're
Oo
gonna
nga
get
pala.
healthier. Everyone's gonna get back. The PBA won't start until October. And then, babalik pa si RHJ. Diba? For 2 conferences. So,
Uh-oh.
hey,
Uh-oh.
6 feet. 6 feet alert, man. 6 feet alert. I'm trying to jinx it. But I don't hate TNT. But I'm trying to
dude,
jinx it.
like, hey man.
So,
Graham has chosen against TNT 3 straight series, yes. I love it. Here's my take on this. And man, I 100% agree with Graham that if you have Junmar Fajardo, most of the time you are gonna win this championship. But I'm tired of being wrong. I'm low-key tired of being wrong, man. And I just don't understand. They shouldn't be here. They shouldn't be here. Okay? Once Ray got injured, they should have already been out of the playoffs, but they made it into the playoffs. Okay, sure. And then when Pogoy got injured, they shouldn't have made it past Ross. When Calvin got injured, they shouldn't have made it past Magnolia. And they made it past every single one of them. I don't care who's on the court. I don't care who's wearing the jersey. All I care about is who's in that coaching chair right now. And that's why with a painful
laki ng ngiti ni Pogoy. Hey, I'll be back finals.
in the most objective way I can, I might say TNT in 7, man. TNT.
Come on.
Sorry, brother. It's the fact that they're here is crazy enough for me. If we're being honest, Graham, if you truly believed in
They could have
what
lost
you
game
just
1
said,
against Magnolia, right? That
if
would
you
have been
truly
it.
believed in what you just said, you would say SMB in 4. But you know that TNT has some level of magic in them right now. You said it yourself, man. Everything is aligning for TNT somehow, some way. And
Naku po, pinakita pa.
that's why even if I'm a Jim fan, and even if TNT has broken my heart twice, thrice, quadruple times, this lineup right now, even though I doubt they're able to do it, I will pick TNT in 7 just because I want to see some magic happen, man.
I have TNT in 7.
I'm so disappointed with you, Mario.
Brother, I have to go TNT in 7. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I feel it. I feel it. It's like
Mali mo,
Indiana.
Graham, yun yung reverse jinx ni Mario. Mali mo yun
the
yung reverse jinx
the
niya,
man
Graham.
ni Pangilinan fat chick has reached the residence of Mario, man.
The bands have arrived.
Man, come on. You know, Graham, you know me, man. You know I love picking teams who don't make any sense. I chose Indiana in 7. I chose Indiana in 7, man. I just
Kinapos na isang laro.
Brother, it's just the gut feeling right now that I feel it. TNT might win it in 7.
Graham might drink his feelings, so he's thinking of what drink to buy. He's like,
No.
No,
I'm not gonna
I don't
change
like you guys.
No, I'm not gonna change.
He's not gonna change
I'm
pick,
not
dude. I
gonna
know
get
Graham will change his pick, man.
I'm not gonna get bullied into picking TNT
Wala
just,
naman
just
nagbubully sa'yo.
for brotherhood. No peer pressures. No peer pressures now is gonna
Dude,
get.
Nico hasn't even picked.
I said TNT in 7. Remember last episode, I was TNT in 6. I gotta put it to 7. TNT in 7. Out of respect
First of all,
for our
TNT in
friend,
6 is crazy. Because that's Rodney Brondial game 6, man.
I forgot about the
TNT is
myth
not winning in
of
6.
Rodney Brondial
Yeah,
game 6.
but-
So TNT in 7.
Okay, Graham, you want to
Glenn
put something on
Kubuntin,
it?
Finals MVP.
You want to put something on it?
Anong jersey ngayon?
I'll say this, man. If it goes to 7 games, and TNT loses, I'll buy the Wami jersey. I'll buy the Wami jersey, brother. Because
Ooh,
at that point, TNT already succeeded if they get to 7 games, bro. Like, that's how I see it.
So basta pa mag-game 7, Mario, you're gonna buy a Hwami Chongson jersey.
Man, if TNT wins in Game 7, Graham is gonna buy it.
Okay. Graham,
I don't know.
bibili mo?
Let's get there. Let's get there when we get there. I'm
Ayaw
still
niyo
in
muna
the
isipin,
process
Mario.
of. I'm still in the process of processing how Mario
Kung kaibigan mo ba talaga kami? Kung kaibigan mo ba
left
talaga kami?
the SMC camp. Man, like,
Brother, I'm not for the SMC camp. I'm for the Ginebra camp. I don't
Man,
give a fuck.
No, you're
about the rest
Magnolia
of
fan ka
SMC.
rin.
let me ask you this. If Serena Williams and Venus Williams meet each other in singles, tapos natalo ni Serena sa Venus, do you think Venus will cheer for someone else? No, he's gonna cheer for Serena.
Brother, I don't give a flying fuck about SMB or Magnolia.
I'm trying to get him on my side, man, but he's not moving. He's not moving.
The MVP Vans are outside.
I'll be
The
so real.
Grandias are
I'll be so
outside.
real, dude. I'm more annoyed at SMB for eliminating Ginebra.
Imagine, bro. One last attempt. Imagine the TNT fans.
One
Not
last-
only the TNT
let me
fans.
con-
Not
let me
only the
convince you.
TNT fans. The
NLEX fans.
Magnolia fans. The SMB fans. The Alaska fans who don't watch the PBA anymore. The Crispa fans who are our grandfathers already saying na buti pa yung TNT naka-Grand Slam na. Yung team nyo, kinuha na si Tim Cone, pinitas na lahat, hindi pa rin maka-Grand Slam. That's all I'm saying. But hey, if you go TNT, then yeah, TNT.
Wait,
I'm just
let's
saying.
try it.
yes,
Wala
it's-
na. Di na kayo
Let's
friends.
try it.
Di na
Let's
magre-reply
try
sa
it.
group chat.
Let me try to
Grendel
tell
Esper
you.
has left the conversation.
Let me try to explain to you why this game is going 7. Okay, I know I won't be able to transfer you from SMB to TNT. I know that's an impossible task. That's an
Oh.
impossible task to make you transfer. But here's why I tell you that this thing could go 7. RR Pogoy is probably healthier than he was last series. Calvin Oftana is probably healthier than he was against Ross. Kelly Williams is probably healthier than he was. Okay? Those names alone should strike some level of fear into somebody's heart. Then let me add, Jordan Heading is given 3, 4, 5 days right now to rest his ailing back. So when he comes back on
Oh, by the
Wednesday,
way, Mario, Jordan Heading looked good in that SGA.
Yeah.
He was just walking around like, yeah,
Jordan,
good.
Nico and I just saw Jordan, man, and he's looking.
Yeah, we just saw him in
brothers,
Moro.
he's looking fine, right?
He was smiling, dapping
Bro,
up everyone.
you know what you have everything you have said would have mattered if they're against the only team in the world that runs a triangle offense. But they're up against it.
Brother, again, this is different. Come on, man. You have to understand this. First
Mario,
of all,
hindi pa wala pa siya sa,
I'm not
sa
trying to
acceptance
transfer
phase.
Graham.
Wala pa siya sa
Believe me.
acceptance phase.
believe me, this man is not gonna go to TNT side for this one. But
He's never
I
gonna
am
go to that side.
I am not an SMB supporter. I'm not a Magnolia supporter. I'm not an SMC Corp supporter. Mas lalo akong hindi NLEX supporter, man.
But I am a Wami Chongson
I am-
diehard support.
I am a Ginebra fan. Okay? So I don't care if these are my sister teams or whatever. Brother, if TNT deserves to win it, TNT deserves to win it. I'm going TNT in 7, even though my brain will tell me SMB can dominate this series very easily. Obviously, man. But since when do I pick with my brain? Both of you have known me for
Never.
I've never picked with my brain. If I picked with my brain, I would have said OKC in 5 like Graham. I pick with my heart, dude. I pick with my gut feeling, and my gut feeling is telling me we're going to 7 games. Who it is, TNT, SMB in that 7th game, I lean TNT because Glenn Cobuntin exists. But
Yes.
to be fair, Chris Ross exists also for SMB. So there's also that.
Game
there's also-
7, Chris Ross nga pala, no?
yeah. But dude, like,
Wait,
this is
Game 6,
not-
Chris Ross. Wait,
Game
Game,
six,
7.
Game
That's Game 7.
seven.
Chris-
Yeah.
No, sorry, that's Game 7. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, Game 7.
dude, like, either of these teams who win, I'm fine with it, man. Like,
Yeah.
both of they absolutely deserve it. Would I have been happier if Ginebra made it to the finals and beat TNT? Yes. But because they couldn't get past Kuya, and they couldn't get and now SMB is the one tasked to face TNT. Brother, anybody's ball game na to. I'm not and my heart tells me Glenn Cobuntin has one more in him, and it does help that me and Glenn have talked before, so I like him. So
it just feels so good to be on the more serious side, to watch the finals with objective lenses. Na parang wala akong sinusupport. Really, wala akong sinusupport between these two teams. People, again, label me sa TNT, I don't care. I don't support any of these teams. Like, in the regular season, I don't support any of these teams, di ba? So,
And
the
Lex
reason
Taino, thank you.
the reason I picked the reason I picked SMB in 6 is because they have Junmar. Now, if it's a reinforced conference when TNT has RHJ and SMB has EJ, Anosike,
Oh, SMB in 4, easy.
then
TNT
TNT in 4.
TNT in 3. Don't play the fourth game. We're
But
not
this is all
showing up.
Filipino. This
We're
is all
good.
Filipino, man.
by
That's
the
all I'm
third
saying.
game, nagpalit na sila ng import ulit.
Guys, by the way,
Where's Jordan Adams in his one arm?
I think
Where's
this is
Jordan
the
Adams?
fifth TNT SMB Petron matchup since 2011. And
Wow.
yeah, this is the fifth. So
We
the
need new
first
teams,
one,
bro. We need new teams.
oo nga. But yeah, you're right. But man, all I'm saying is, I don't think TNT is beaten. No, outside of 2011, I don't think TNT is beaten SMB in the finals. That's peak TNT right there. So yeah,
God, this is the
that's
year.
all.
It's July 2025 wherein TNT will beat SMB.
Okay. All right. All I'm saying is, Boss RSA, Boss Al Francis Chu, if SMB wins, then I'm the guy who backed them up, and Mario was the guy who transferred over.
Send me the check.
This
Send
guy's
me
throwing
the
me
check.
under the bus. He's throwing me under the bus, the train,
Wala
the
SM
plane.
MVP camp ka daw, Mario. MVP camp.
Hey, man.
Wala ka na
Yo,
daw sa
okay, here's the thing,
barangay Macabs.
People keep asking us to be objective in the comments, and I am being objective right now.
Me too. Me too.
If you guys decide to bash me for being objective, I don't know what else you want from me.
I don't know what else to give except my
You
nuggets.
want from me, man?
I think they want your food, bro.
That's
You,
right.
you want me to be biased? Hey, man, gold SMB. But I'm trying to be objective here.
We can't win with these people. Can't win with these people.
Sorry, Grem, we broke your heart. Oy, Mario, pag umalis na ng GC, we just give him a day, then he'll be back.
Yeah,
Well,
for sure.
Don't worry, man.
Guys,
Bob.
I'm back.
Magpapabalik yan pag nanalo ng SMB sa game 1.
Guys, Nico, pabalik sa group chat. Thank you.
Magyayabang lang yan.
SMB 6.
Anyway,
Final take.
wow, this is a long ass podcast with 1 hour.
Duh.
Guys, this is the PBA Finals preview. Hope you guys enjoyed. We hope you guys liked our graphics and animation for tonight. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. 6-1 Podcast also on Spotify. Oh yeah, man, on Spotify. Nico, Mario, and Graham here. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram _6-man podcast. See you all for game 1 post game. Peace.
Adios, amigos. SMB.